Okay, hello. You're allowed to do this lots of times. I'm Maria Speake, founder of Retrouvius, architectural salvage and design company. When I was originally studying architecture, reuse, reclaiming materials was seen as a complete joke. So now you're incredibly lucky because everyone is wanting to do it. You must always remember to be adaptable. We can get a little too fixated on what a material is and where its appropriate use is. In this course, we are going to be covering flooring, timbers, doors, internal windows, touching on marbles and stone, and a general philosophical approach to reuse. We will be in my own home, a client's house, which is much more traditional. We will be visiting the Retrouvius warehouse, and we'll be here in my design studio. One of the first things to do is look around and start considering what already exists that will become your own salvage / reclamation. Here are some fabulous pine cheese boards. These wonderful circles are from the maturing of the cheese. This is a very affordable way of sorting out your lighting. We're going to go through a few parquets. I call this the ladder system. It's good on minimal wastage. The satisfaction that comes from seeing a pile of wood that most people would consider firewood turning into some incredible worktop, door, floor. I'm thrilled that you're interested. Please take on the mantle. I'm getting quite old for it now. It's up to you guys. Learn to design with reclaimed materials with me, Maria Speake.